Hello, this is Delmir and welcome to another repair video. In this video, we're looking at an iPhone 13. This iPhone 13 has an issue with the audio from it being very quiet. So we're going to see what we can do about that. And yeah, heads up for those people that have been watching. This background is not going to be sticking around. I'm sorry for the utilities nature of the background, but that's where my shop is located. So soon I'll be getting a nice backdrop. Hopefully we can do something with that. In the meantime, let's switch over to the desk view. There's nothing really to look at this point, so I'm not going to have to worry about blurring anything out. We're just going to see how the sound is inside of the general settings. There is our sounds and haptic. It is a little bit quiet coming from the earpiece itself, and the speaker in the bottom does sound a little bit off. I'm noticing that there is something clogged in the bottom there. I'm having difficulty seeing what that might be though. And a lot of times it's as simple as just taking some decent tweezers and getting in there. It's definitely gunked up. There is something in there. Look at that. Oh. So if you've got quiet speakers, it's usually an indicator that your mesh at the bottom is clogged up. And this one is bad. Look at that. It's badly clogged up. So all I'm doing is just taking my tweezers, twirling it around in there to get that out, and that should greatly increase the audio. So I'm wondering if that's the same with this speaker up here. Yeah, it's dirty. It definitely is dirty. Now there is a program that I use all the time. I shouldn't call it a program. It's a YouTube video that's called 165 Hertz Emergency Repair for Earpiece or something like that. And it works very well to clean out your earpiece and also the speakers at the bottom. So let me show you how I do that. I'm just going to go to Safari and I'm going to go to YouTube. All I'm typing is 165HZ. And here it's this one right here, iPhone ear speaker cleaning tone, 165 hertz test tone. So I would usually feel able to feel air coming out of that earpiece. And I'm not. But if I put my finger over this, listen to this. That's from my finger sitting on top of the speaker. So those ones should be fine now. This this speaker right here is, there is no speaker. Nothing there at all. It's just a secondary, I'm not sure what you call it. But this one, it's got a speaker going. So let's put a little bit of alcohol on top of just some isopropyl alcohol right across that earpiece. And you're going to see it dancing all over. It's not going to do much right now. But as it starts to work its magic, it'll start doing that. It's going to splatter all over the place. But that's the beginning. That's indicating that it's starting to work. And on top of that, I do use a little bit of a Q-tip to give that a further cleaning. I don't want to flood the earpiece, so get rid of what I can out of there right now. You see that? Wow. It's getting there. Now put a little bit more on. And that's basically all I'm doing is using that tone to push the material that's sitting inside the earpiece out. And as that's happening, then I'm just using the Q-tip to clean out what's being pushed out. Unfortunately, it's also pushing it back down as well. But as this works, it should come to the point where you should start feeling air coming out of the earpiece because that tone is so powerful. At this point, I think I'm going to try a little bit of the toothbrush. This is a little worse than usual. That's getting better. It's pretty loud now and I'm starting to feel air. It's not as powerful as the older iPhones I'm finding, but you can definitely hear it out of there. So let's just pause this and I'm going to try another one. I think I can see inside the grill now, which is a very good sign. It's much better. I am going to give those earpieces, the speakers at the bottom, a bit of a clean, just to make sure that it's good. But I think that's all there is to that one. It is much louder. This is exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to give it a bit more, I said, of a cleaning. Maybe I might go over it with the Q-tip a few more times just to make sure that it's clean. But that's all there is to this video, guys. So if you guys like the video, please do leave a like. And if you want to see more of my stuff, subscribe. We'll see you guys all in another video. Bye.